All right, we're back. Um, this is a new updated pump. I don't know if you can hear me. Hopefully you can hear me because I'm probably far away from the phone. So I'll show you what I've done here. Feed wire going through the hole here. This is where the original connector is supposed to be. I took that off, put the feed wire in, and then this is the ground. Goes to here, and it will ground to the hole right here. This is the bolt that's gonna screw into the ground. Okay, and I adjust the height already. I was at the vehicle yesterday. I adjust the height that this is the right height for the pump. It would touch the bottom of the pump. It would probably bend like this, but that's fine. It would touch the bottom of the pump. The filter will bend a little bit, but no, that's fine. That's what I want. And secure it with 2 zip ties. If you're wondering about this bent bracket right here, it was like this before when I bought the vehicle. Somebody did this, so yeah, I'm not worried about it. I think this is a pretty good idea for this black strap that I put it. This strap right here, it holds this filter screen because there's a little internal rings that lock this place, but that rings is gone, it's missing. So I just use the strap, zip tie strap, to hold this screen on there. It's not gonna go anywhere, it's not gonna go. So it's a pretty good idea to have this in there. It goes from the back of this metal piece, goes up on the front, goes around. Yeah, that's it. This is how I upgrade my fuel pump. Hopefully it will work. I'm pretty sure it will work. And yeah, the next video I'll it's gonna be installing this on the tank. Thanks for watching.